Khilona Fair 2022 organized at India X-Mart Greater Noida, and we have with us Mr. Vaibhav Vijay from Hoggy. And today we have come with Mr. Vijay to a very innovative and aesthetic product that he has showcased today at this expo. Let us talk to him and know more about this. Welcome to 10 News, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, can you tell us about the product that you have here?
So our company has always focused on communication with kids because it has been a very important factor for any child's development.
Yeah.
Initially we used to do YouTube videos and made them interactive, but now we have created a new product where the cartoons are interactive and they can actually talk to kids via a medium of either screens, right, or your own devices like WhatsApp or Zoom calls. Wherever you can have a normal chat with any human, you can also use our product and actually have communications with cartoons.
And how's the demand of these products in this industry? How much are people responsive to them?
So the pilot testings which we did in one-to-one sessions also and in big batches of students also. So the response was amazing. Like, children are loving it, and we are trying to create new characters which can, make a difference. Like, we did a Mahabharat session where we made a cartoon of Krishna ji, and he was actually talking to children and telling them about stories of Mahabharat, like why Arjun was the greatest warrior and what is so special about Yudhishthir. And in that session we actually saw grandparents being invited to the room and they are saying, "Hi Krishna ji, namaste." So all that things really make a big difference in children and their awareness of our cultures.
Definitely.
Mythological stories. We also see this application going in books also. Children who want to read out books but they want company, so a cartoon can come on the screen and can read books out loud to children. Take opinions from children, that what do you think the character can do next. In healthcare, where children can be a little afraid of going to hospitals, meeting doctors because they give them injections and all, you can put a cartoon in the children's ward and you can actually have a very nice session with the children where a cartoon can uplift their spirits, improve their moods. Whenever a child is going to vacation or there is a family gathering, generally we see there are not enough activities for children to do. So you can put them in a room, put a TV on and the live cartoon can come, keep them engaged. Birthday parties. Imagine a child waking up on his birthday and getting a cartoon call from his favorite character saying that happy birthday, aapke papa ne bataya. This is all customizable. As you can see, we have certain characters which are created in-house. There are a couple of famous characters that we are in partnerships with. Some of them we are trying to get their licenses. So what happens is that as soon as we have those characters, we can offer them to you. If you have a character of yourself, we can actually bring them to life for you guys. So that's how the technology works.
How does this work? Is this whole a software or is someone actually...
It's a mix. So there is a software interface also and there are people controlling it behind the screens, because right now that improvisation requires some human input. So we have both softwares also.
Every screen there is an individual sitting behind the cartoon.
One individual managing a couple of calls together.
Couple of calls.
Yes.
Okay. And lastly, I want to ask you, since this is the last day of this expo, what is your response to it?
We have been overwhelmed. We are getting so many kids coming and talking to Freddy, and they are loving it. So we had to bring, these chocolates and all for them, because there were so many kids and they are having such a good time. Parents are very appreciative of it. A lot of people have given good response in terms of partnerships also. So we're very thankful for this event because we are getting validation also, and we are also getting very good opportunities to look forward to.
I'm sure. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much.
So now we have here one of the interactive cartoons for Hoggy, and let us talk to him and know more what he wants to talk about. और फ्रेडी, आप कहाँ रहते हो? आप ये बताइए, आप कहाँ रहते हैं? जंगल में कहाँ रहते हैं? जंगल तो बहुत बड़ा होता है.
मैं जंगल में गुफा में रहता हूँ.
केव. ओके. एंड आपके केव में कभी मोदी जी आए, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर?
मोदी जी आ चुके जंगल में, केव में नहीं आए, जंगल आ चुके हैं.
अच्छा, तो जैसे कि आपने हमें बताया था कि आप स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, जंगल में एक्चुअली कोई स्कूल नहीं है, तो हमने मोदी जी से बोला नहीं कि हमें एक स्कूल चाहिए?
मैंने बोला, मैंने कहा मोदी जी स्कूल बनवाओ. वो कहते हैं तुम पहले आत्मनिर्भर बनो, स्कूल तो बनता रहेगा.
तो आपने बोला नहीं आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए हमें पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी?
मैंने बोला. तो कहते हैं हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
अच्छा, तो हिपोक्रेसी की जब हम उसकी बात करें तो राहुल गांधी जी आए थे?
राहुल गांधी जी आए, कह रहे यहाँ पे आलू की खेती होती है. मैंने कहा नहीं, कह रहे सोना तो मिलेगा ही नहीं.
अरे तो आपने क्या बोला?
मैंने बोला आलू की खेती होती है पर मशीन कहाँ है.
वेरी नाइस. और किन किन से मिले आप, और कौन कौन है आपके जंगल में?
मैं बहुत लोगों से मिला, मैं लोगों के नाम भूल जाता हूँ, दिक्कत यही है।
अच्छा, तो डॉक्टर नहीं है वहाँ पे आपकी याददाश्त वापस लाने के लिए?
यहाँ पे डॉक्टर नहीं है।
अरे रे रे, इतने दुख हैं इनके जंगल में।
बहुत दुख है, यहाँ तो स्लम्स है।
स्लम्स है?
स्लम केव।
ओ मतलब आपके जंगल में भी सोशल स्टेटस मायने रखता है अलग
बहुत
से?
ज़्यादा।
अच्छा, तो
जो हमारा लायन है उसके पास बड़ा केव है, क्योंकि मैं फॉक्स हूँ तो मैं छोटे केव में रहता हूँ।
अरे
1 BHK।
और स्लम्स में कौन रहता है? 1 रूम में कौन रहता है?
मेरे घर में मॉम है, डैड है, एक क्रोकोडाइल है और एक कैट है। कैट पेट है,
अरे रे रे, और
फरिंग करता है।
वेरी नाइस एंड थैंक यू सो मच हमसे बात करने के लिए। आपसे बात करके बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे।
मुझे भी।
आई एम शैली अग्रवाल एंड यू आर वाचिंग 10 न्यूज़।